Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. This is my first time voice recording a video, so please bear with me as I'm not perfect at this. Today I had the opportunity to decor a condo living room for a friend. It's about 200 to 225 square feet, so it's very typical size living room for a one-bedroom condo. As you can see, this space leads to a balcony which has an amazing view overlooking the city. Anyway, so the first thing we did is to come up with a mood board. We wanted to figure out how the space gonna look like, and most importantly how it's gonna feel like. My friend really liked the boho style, but at the same time we wanted to make sure the space looked organized and spacious, since it's a small living room after all. We wanted the space to feel relaxing for her, as well as she can have her friends over to hang out from time to time. To start off, we wanted to make a focal point on the long wall where we eventually is going to put a sofa. To create the focal point of the space, we decided to put on wall arts and paintings. If you have seen my art gallery video previously, I talked a lot about how to organize paintings on the wall. If you're interested, the link's going to be on the right hand side of the video. You can check it out later for more information. We chose graphic prints to put on the wall that we found on Etsy. If you're interested, I have put down all the links in the description box below. Anyway, so probably could already tell, those who loves Ikea, yes, these frames are from Ikea. These are Ribba frames. I love Ikea picture frames. They're very reasonably priced and very easy to install, and they're also lightweight and they looks amazing in any space. If you're wondering, we printed out these prints from Postal Jack. They came out amazing quality. We printed to the size of the frames, so it'll be easy just to install as is. Finally, this is how they came out with the Ikea frames, and they're ready to be hanged on the wall. Since we don't want any nails on the wall, we used command tapes. This was my first time using command tape, and I was really impressed how easy they are to use. So just follow the instruction that comes with the packaging if you happen to be using them. Although we are using a very lightweight frames, I'm pretty sure they have different command tapes for different weight of the frames. For us, we used 2 for the Ikea frames because they're very lightweight, and 4 command tapes for the painting since it's a little bit heavier. As you can see in here, I'm putting the command tape equally spaced over the frame, so the weight of the frames balances out equally when we hang it on the wall. Time to measure the space. We are making focal wall above the sofa, so we are getting the length and width, and also we're finding the midpoint for the larger painting to go on first, where a leveler comes very handy. If you have one, which is great, you also can get one really cheap from Amazon, or also you can use apps on your phone that works pretty well as well. One thing with the command tapes, if you're sticking your frames on the wall flat, You need to hold it, I believe, for about 30 to 40 seconds. I would suggest to hold at least like a minute or two, just to set and it's not gonna fall off, obviously. So yeah, just to make a note of that. We are arranging the rest of the prints around the large paintings. And finally putting her ukulele with a simple hook on the wall. We already brought in the sofa. We're just adding some final touches to the space. The client had quite a few plants, so we got a simple Ikea planter to display them. If you have plants at your home, they're great because they really accentuate the space more than any other decor. So I really love plants. We're just rearranging the plants. They really brings positive vibe to a space. Finally adding a cozy blanket and some colorful cushion on the sofa. The cushions are colorful and some of them with frills, obviously. They goes with the boho style. We did not go too much matchy but have some coordination between the colors, the fabric, the shapes, so it's tie in all together. So we are finally done after the whole day of work. What do you guys think? Please comment down below. What do you like about the space, and also what you don't like about the space? Is there something I could have done better? I would love to hear from all of you. Really liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post content related to decor and DIYs, and I have a couple of really exciting videos coming up, so stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.